Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Ayeni and the YouTube channel is Peter Ayeni. If you're coming across this video for the first time, that means you've made some part. And if you're an experienced engineer already, you do miss so much. So, but I just like to iterate this why I started this YouTube channel. So I start because I felt technology is moving at a very fast rate, and definitely, if with advent of changing in technology and things like that, there's going to be some people that are going to be left behind. And this YouTube channel is actually for that people. So it's for the crop of people that actually have been thinking, I want to learn how to code, but they don't actually have a clue where to start. And that is why I start this YouTube channel. I don't want it to be just another YouTube channel on coding, because I won't lie to you, there are so many brilliant, amazing engineers and teachers on YouTube already. So what I'm trying to solve here is to help people that doesn't have any computer science background, that have not have so much interaction with coding, to be able to guide them and hold their hands through some of these little things that they need to know to get started about coding. And over some past weeks, that we just say weeks or days, that this YouTube channel have been help, I've created some amazing tutorials for HTML5 for absolute beginner. So this is for if you're just starting to learn HTML, you don't know anything about HTML, this would be a good place for you to get started. And the beautiful thing about this platform in my channel is this: I'm not trying to like reinvent the wheel. I'm not trying to like create something differently or entirely new. What I'm trying to do is to use existing content and put context into it. So, and one of those platforms is Free Code Camp. It's really amazing what Free Code Camp is doing, and a lot of people don't actually know about this content, about this platform exists. So that's why I'm leveraging on that to like get more people to use Free Code Camp to start learning how to code. And you can do it from home on your computer, and with just the internet, and it's all text based, which is absolutely brilliant. And most of the things tutorials you see here are based off of HTML. So what about just in Free Code Camp? So what I'm just doing here is to actually give explanation, context, explain some jargons and why things are the way they are, and then just to be able to guide you so that it doesn't feel like you're just reading things. People learn in different ways, and this can actually give some kind of learning reinforcement. So, and that is what I'm doing. So this is HTML5. You are just getting started. So after this, we are going to move to CSS, then we go to JavaScript, and then some advanced things. So, but what I want to do in this workshop actually is to help you get started, because if you have been following these tutorials, you basically have been doing everything off Free Code Camp, because Free Code Camp have this IDE and everything that you can code, and which is good, which is brilliant. Definitely, I like it for practice. So, but one thing is that what about when you want to start coding on your own computer, and you want to have your files, want to have the setup? So that is the essence of this workshop. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you some tools I think are amazing tools that are being used by awesome engineers, and all of them are free, that you can use to get started with coding. So I'm just going to like lay some simple examples here, and before we move on, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, if you have any question, comment on it, and I'll do my best to definitely respond to your comments. So the idea is to like help you with any information you need in your coding career, and so that you won't be alone. So what we're going to be doing is this. So if we are going to start coding on your machine today, what do you need? So I know a lot of people that to this we have window machines, then we have let's say we have Windows machine, then we have Mac. So depending on what you're using, so some people are using Windows, some people are using Mac. So no matter what you use, there is always a tool for you there. So either you're using Mac, as a machine, or you are using Windows. So those are the two. Some people use Linux, so which is good. So but I believe for if you are a beginner, just starting out, these two machines here, or these two operating system, or these two kind of computers will be the environments you are going to start with. So if I'm going to start to code today, what do I need? Especially if I'm coding for the web. So number one thing I think you're going to need is a web browser. So you're going to need a web browser, definitely, to be able to like see what you're doing and to browse the web. So one thing a lot of people don't know about the web browser is that the web browser is not just like a software for viewing the web, it's doing so much more. So when you write your HTML, your CSS, your JavaScript, like we have done, is the web browser that transform and translate all this code into what computer can understand. So it's more like a it's more like a device, like an engine that interprets all these things and display it for us. So as a web developer and a coder moving forward, you're going to be interacting with the web browser a lot. So, and what I would recommend for web browser, even for both of these platforms, is Google Chrome. Chrome is amazing, especially so for both of them. Chrome works, so it doesn't matter if you're using Mac um, or you're using Windows. So Chrome is cross-platform. Cross-platform means that this piece of software work across all these platforms, either Windows, in the Mac, or Linux. So Chrome works. So another one you want to look at is aside from Chrome is Firefox by Mozilla, which is amazing. So also you can't go wrong with these two. And another one that I would say they're in the same class with Chrome is Edge by Microsoft. So why I say they're in the same class with Chrome is that Microsoft recently just adopted Chromium engine into their web browser, so which is absolutely amazing. So it's absolutely amazing.